Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So we're now on the 25th floor and we're at an amenity. It's called the Luxury Lounge. So let's check out what the Luxury Lounge is all about. We're now in it. It's really kind of cute. It looks like more of a resident lounge. It's another one. Remember, they do have a lounge that's on the first floor. It's really pretty. It's called the relaxation area. But this looks more like not only a lounge, but it's actually kind of a co-working area. So kind of a co-working area and lounge. So it's got two TVs, some great areas to definitely lounge around. It's got a full kitchen, it looks like, with the fridge and an oven and everything. And so that's all good. Looks like, I bet it's got a microwave. Yep, it does. And even some other things. But then it's got these meeting areas too. So these meeting areas are kind of fun. Let's open up one of these. Maybe the lights will come on. Yep, they did. So it's a really cool, oh yeah, it's got a printer. It's a really cool area to be in. This is super, super fun. So there's two of these meeting rooms, and also there's a men's and women's bathroom. This is a great, cool room, and it's hidden. It's on the 25th floor. Hey, if you like what you see, you're not alone. I do too. I love it. This is just one example of how the Peridot really stands out with these super cool amenities. This would be a great downtown Dallas high-rise apartment to be in. If you're ready to take that tour, a personalized tour, what I want you to do is, there's my number below, send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I'm thinking I want a tour on this date. And that can be as early as tomorrow. That could be a virtual tour, that could be a live in-person tour. I'll get the text, we'll chat a little bit, and I'll set up that tour for you. By the way, we help out with all of the Best Dallas Apartments, so we can set up a multiple apartment tour as well. That's always 100% free to you. You'll get the best deal, you'll save time, and you'll love the apartment that you end up in when we help you. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you soon. Just send me that text and just say, hi, I'm Grant.